Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about 2023 Genesis G90, so let's get started. The 2023 Genesis G90 is full of luxury car confidence, but it delivers incredible power in its quest for prestige. What kind of car is the 2023 Genesis G90? The four-door Genesis G90 in 2023 takes the top position in the South Korean luxury model line. The flagship sedan competes with full-fledged luxury cars such as the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, Lexus LS and Audi A8. With its growing list price and our revised fuel economy ratings, the G90 isn't going as far as it used to. It's still a well-made car with a lot of power, but it's more valuable than ever, with prices hovering around $100,000. What's new for the 2023 Genesis G90? New for this model year, the G90 is available in standard and mild editions. Both wear a redesigned exterior with a large shield-like grille, thin LED headlight strips that hug the nose and fenders and a sweeping line that tapers to the tail. The G90's roof counters these, along with its rear panel. Inside, the G90 spends its suave budget on others, with digital display, metal and glass trim and nappa leather upholstery, as if it is a stone for the same fences as Lexus and Mercedes. All G90s have a twin-turbo V6 under the hood, but the more expensive editions upgrade to a 375 horsepower model with a mild hybrid powertrain that nets 409 horsepower, equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission that is hidden in all cars. The G90 packs a head full of low-end steam and makes no noise at all. Its suspension combines camber and adaptive dampers for a smooth, well-tuned ride, and is upgraded on mild hybrid vehicles with air suspension and rear axle. He is collected and calm, almost to a fault. Even in game mode he carefully turns his occupants without enthusiasm. The luxurious interior of the G90 offers front passengers 18 or 16-way power seats with heating, cooling and massage functions. It's almost the same recipe in the back, where the heated bucket seat can be converted to electric. They leave little room for a third passenger in the middle. The G90's trunk isn't particularly large, but that's quickly forgotten when the front driver turns on the crystal-clear audio system and puts the car's air conditioning into fog mode. Fuel economy may be poor, but safety features are the G90's standout feature. All models have adaptive cruise control, active lane control and emergency braking, but no crash test scores have been achieved. How much does the 2023 Genesis G90 cost? It's $89,945 for the G90 3.5 TAWD with nappa leather, a panoramic sunroof, auto air conditioning, a 12.3-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Bang & Olufsen. A good warranty is standard. The G90 3.5 TESC AWD costs $99,795 and gets a rearview mirror, air suspension, 21-inch wheels and a 26-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system. 2023 Genesis G90. Styling. The G90 opts for the Baroque, with mixed results. The exterior has all the marks of two competing brands combined into one. The progress of the interior brings here 2 more points, for 7 types. From the outside, the G90 poses a tricky question: can a car successfully combine 2 different themes? The shield-like hood, the swept-back front and the weak headlights reflect the elegant appearance of the small sedans G80 and G70, and there is a beautiful shoulder line that tapers to the tail from the charm of the classic fender style. On top of that, the G90 gets a tall greenhouse to protect the main seats and is reminiscent of some 4-door Mercedes from the late 1980s. It's an odd combination that culminates in slim taillights and a diamond-shaped rear end that unites the G90 with its sleeker and more attractive Hyundai cousin. Inside, the G90 takes an interesting tangent, but here it succeeds. The elimination of the digital screen and touch screen goes for a more straightforward theme than the Genesis sedan. It is covered in soft faux leather, carved in wood, shimmers with a touch of aluminum and glass, and find the main controls in a convenient cluster. A pill-shaped bezel surrounds the climate control, while the control panel connects the transmission to the infotainment control. A pair of unique trims separated the viewing cluster with some Exner Chrysler footage, not too much for its own good. It's beautiful, in a refined and sophisticated way. 2023 Genesis G90. Comfort and quality. The interior of the G90 is full of good materials and the seats are comfortable in the front and back. The G90 sheer swagger means plenty of room for 4 tall people, but their side panels draw little attention. The same goes for the unlucky 5th passenger stuck in the back. Still, we give the G90 8 points for comfort and convenience. It fits in with its impressive finish, its front seats offer maximum support and its rear seats are responsive. With a 125.2-inch wheelbase, the G90 is 207.7 inches long. That's a lot of footprints. The Genesis is creating a lot of opportunities for people. This is seen in the front, where the 18 driver seats and 16 passenger seats are surrounded by low and sculpted doors to create as much space as possible. The power seat controls are found on the bottom of the seat, and with the changes we didn't know we wanted, the headrest and backrest, they're easy to put in the perfect place. The front seats feature the famous cooler, and when the G90 is placed in sport mode, its rear seats extend and the seat bottom adjusts its shape to create a pocket for better comfort. The G90 may be overwhelmed by its control system. Steering wheel buttons allow switching between audio preferences, independent of touchscreen input. 4 buttons control the electric opening and closing door. The rotary converter makes noise as it changes modes. The driver's headrest speakers announce key changes without disturbing the main audio system. It's quieter in the back, while the G90 sports more than 38 inches of headroom and more than 37.9 inches of legroom. Along with the upgrade, there is also a cooled rear seat with power adjustment and massage, head shower of car air freshener. It's a place to stretch and travel long, so the soft center seat is a thoughtful consideration, as is the trunk of 12.0 feet, just 10.6 cubic feet in the soft model. The G90 benefits from Genesis' sleek design and meticulous attention to detail. Be it the speaker grills, the glass shifter, the wrapped dashboard or the nappa leather interior, it is as well done as any of the more expensive racers. How is the G90 security? We may never know. It's expensive and rare, and that often means that the NHTSA and IIHS won't put it up for crash testing. What we do know is that the G90 is ready for any challenge. Standard equipment not only includes emergency braking, spotlights and adaptive cruise control, but the list goes on and includes LED headlights, active lane control, blind spot camera, cruise control, head-up display, surround camera system with a 3/4 view of the car, which is more useful in tight parking spaces, and the remote parking space helps to store it outside the car. 2023 Genesis G90 Plan. The G90 suggests the size of the feature while up against the $100,000 barrier. The 2023 G90 comes with a long list of luxury touches, even in its lower edition. With all the standard features and options, a powerful if kludgy infotainment system and a stellar warranty, it's a 9 here. Which Genesis G90 should I buy? The base $89,945 G90 3.5 TAWD has everything you need for quiet long-distance travel. The list includes nappa leather upholstery, heated front and rear seats, cooled front seats, panoramic sunroof, 20-inch wheels, wireless phone charger, 12.3-inch digital dashboard, air freshener in the car, 18-way lights, 16-way driver and travel front seat, with digital key function, which can use smartphones to open the car. The infotainment system includes a 12.3-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation and Bang & Amp, Olufsen audio. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And as always, stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.